Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be filming this video because I'm going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream Lip Glosses. These just got put out in the stores yesterday, so I went ahead and grabbed each color that they released, and I'm going to be swatching them on my arm and then also trying them on my lips for you. My favorite lip gloss of all time is by Fenty Beauty, which is their original gloss bombs. This is in the shade Fenty Glow, and I wear it almost every single day. I literally have it on my lips right now. But this was the first shade that Rihanna ever came out with, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it goes with any makeup look that I do. I love it because it makes my lips look fuller and it's not too sticky. I hate lip glosses that are super sticky. So the difference between the original Gloss Bomb and the Gloss Bomb Cream lip glosses, these are gonna have more pigmentation and more color payoff, whereas the Gloss Bombs are more shimmery and sheer. The creams don't have any shimmer in them whatsoever, and they're supposed to have more of a buttery formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them out in order. They each have a number on them and then the name of the shade. So the first one is called Mauve Wives. This is number 1. Okay, and then as you can see, the packaging is the exact same as the original Gloss Bombs. The only difference is this one says cream. And then you can also see in the bottles how the original has shimmer and this one is just a solid color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one on my hand. So this is Mauve Wives. You can see that it's very pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my current lip gloss. I'm not the best model for this because I don't have lips at all, so I always have to overline them, but I'm not putting on any lip liner. I'm just gonna do the gloss by itself. Okay. Okay, so this is just one dip into the bottle. I would say that's pretty pigmented for a lip gloss. It also feels super buttery. The original formula is also very buttery, but this one feels even softer. It's not as sticky as the original Gloss Bomb. It definitely feels creamy. And I think this color is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna do another dip and try to build it up a little bit more to see if it's buildable. Yeah, so I would definitely say this is a buildable formula. So the packaging says luscious color, explosive shine, nourished, fuller looking lips, which I definitely feel like it lives up to all of that. The pigmentation is definitely there. My lips look very shiny, they feel very nourished, and it doesn't feel drying whatsoever. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next color. Okay, so the next one we have is called Fenty Glow, which is the same shade as the shimmery gloss bomb that I have. So once again, I'm gonna swatch this on my hand for you. I think this is gonna be my favorite color. Oh yeah, this color is beautiful. I just really like this color because I feel like it will go with any look that you do, and it just goes really well with my skin tone. I also forgot to see if these had a fragrance, so I'm gonna smell this real quick. Okay, so it has like a little bit of a scent, but nothing too strong. The original Gloss Bomb, I think, has more of a fragrance. Let me see. Yeah, so it's not anything like too strong. It just smells like makeup pretty much. Okay, so this one is Honey Waffles. This is number 3. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch on my hand. It's like a burnt orange color. Okay, and then this is Honey Waffles on the lips. So Honey Waffles, this is a really nice color. I don't really like it on me too much. I definitely like the first two better, but I could see this working for a lot of people. I'm like losing some of the makeup around my face. Okay. The next shade is number 4. This is Cookie Jar. We're getting even deeper with the colors. This is what Cookie Jar looks like. This is Cookie Jar. Okay, and then moving on to our last color, we have Fruit Snacks, which is number 5. I'm gonna go ahead and remove Cookie Jar. This one looks like it might be the deepest color out of all of them. It's like a cranberry red. I think this might be my second favorite. Wow, that is stunning. And it's getting everywhere. Okay. So this is Fruit Snacks. Okay, and that is all 5 of the shades. I love this formula. I really didn't expect anything less coming from Fenty. Their lip glosses are the best in the makeup game, in my opinion. That is why I really don't buy lip gloss anymore. I only buy this Gloss Bomb by Fenty, and I usually just put on lip liner and put this on top of my lips, or I'll put on a lipstick and then put this on top of my lips. I also really love these. They are so pigmented, and now I can get away with not putting lipstick on and then putting a gloss over it. I could just put these on because they are so pigmented. They serve as a lip gloss and a lipstick in one, I feel like. My favorite shade is definitely Fenty Glow number 2. So I'm gonna probably take this off and reapply this one because I just feel like it's just so universal, like you can wear it with anything. I highly recommend this product and all of Fenty Beauty's lip glosses. These retail for $19 each, which I think is a pretty fair price considering the pigmentation is there. They leave your lips feeling nice and hydrated. It's not a sticky formula whatsoever. And their gloss bombs always last me a good couple months. That's saying a lot considering I use it almost every single time I do my makeup. So I would say $19 is a pretty fair price. But anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review. Definitely be sure to comment down below if there's a product that you would like to see me review in the future. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!